In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size of objects in Canva. Whether you're fine-tuning a small icon or scaling up a photo, I'll show you how to quickly resize by dragging and how to enter exact dimensions for precise control. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, click the element you want to resize. This could be a photo, a shape, a text box, or any graphic on your canvas. When it's selected, you'll see handles appear around it. Move your cursor to one of the corners. Click and drag inward to make the element smaller, or drag outward to make it larger. As you drag from a corner, the element maintains its proportions, which helps you avoid stretching or squashing it. If you're working on a detailed layout, consider zooming in a bit so you can make more confident adjustments without overshooting your target size. Release the mouse when it looks right, and take a moment to scan your design to ensure everything still feels balanced and readable. If you need a specific size, for example, matching the dimensions of other elements across your design, use Canva's precise controls. With your element still selected, look at the top menu and click Position. A small panel will appear showing the element's width and height. These values reflect the current size on your canvas. Click into the width field to type an exact number, then press Enter. Do the same for the height if needed. As soon as you confirm the values, Canva updates the element on the canvas. This method is especially helpful when you want consistent button sizes, uniform icons, or a photo that fits a predefined space without guesswork. If you notice the layout shifting after a big change, you can adjust your element's placement afterward using the same position panel or by dragging it to where it needs to be. As you work, keep an eye on clarity. Enlarging a small, low-resolution image too much can make it look blurry, while shrinking text too far may hurt readability. If you're designing a series of pages or slides, jot down the exact width and height you settled on so you can reuse them for a consistent look throughout your project. That's all there is to it. Click and drag from the corner for quick, natural resizing, or use the position panel to enter exact dimensions when precision matters. With these two approaches, you can resize confidently and keep your Canva designs clean, consistent, and professional.